How to add a link to your TikTok bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your YouTube TikTok bio. So now without further ado, let's get started. But first, make sure that you have your link copied on your clipboard. And once you have done that, simply open the TikTok app, and once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. And once you are in your settings section, simply tap on your account. Now, simply scroll down and select Switch to Business Account. After that, keep on tapping Next until you see the category option. Now here in this page, simply choose a category that suits best for you. And once you're done with that, simply tap on Next again. Now enter the email, but if you don't want to, you can completely skip it. And after that, you'll see your bio section. So here in this page, you simply need to paste the link that you have copied earlier. And once you have pasted it, tap on the confirm button. And that's it. Now your TikTok visitor can easily access your website or social media links. And even if you want to add more link, you can simply click on edit profile button and tap on bio, and there you can make any changes that you like. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.